Rove is the best dash cam for voice control, and Vanture has the best remote control. The Rishing V1P is the best overall because it works in extreme temperatures and doesn't cost an arm and a leg. It includes all the basic features you'd expect from a dash cam and nothing more. Whether you want the footage to file insurance claims or you're hoping to record a viral clip, the Rishing V1P gets the job done. There you go. Those are my top 5 picks for the best dash cams, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best dash cams from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to check the prices and other details, be sure to look in the description box. So let's go to over top 5 product reviews. First up, we have the Rove R2-4K Dash Cam, best for voice control. Dash camera reviews wouldn't be complete without the Rove R2-4K front-facing dash cam. The Rove R2-4K records in 4K with a 150 degrees lens. It is built in Wi-Fi for fast video uploading, but if you'd rather use local storage, the Rove supports a whopping 512 GB microSD card, which you'll have to buy separately. You'll also need to purchase a separate hardwire kit to use the 24-hour parking mode. The camera's lithium-ion battery lasts for just 5 minutes without a direct power supply. We also love that you can control this dash cam with your voice. No Amazon Alexa or Google Home integration is required. The Rove R2-4K features variable resolution and frame rate settings, which helps your memory card store even more clips. You can also record time-lapse or slow-mo videos with this car dash cam. The suction cup mount includes a 360 degrees swivel, so you can focus the lens in any direction. We couldn't find a compatible rear-facing camera. Next on our list is the Vanture N4, best wireless remote control. The Vanture N4 features 3 cameras to record what's in front of, behind, and inside your car. If you're a rideshare driver who'd like a record of what goes on in the backseat for liability purposes, that in-cabin camera is super handy. Just make sure you transfer footage to a computer on a regular basis, because there's no cloud storage or mobile app for this Vanture dash cam. Only the front-facing camera records in 4K. The other 2 cameras record in HD at 1080p, which can seem grainy in comparison. Each camera has a wide-angle lens, 155 degrees front, 160 degrees rear, 165 degrees inside, allowing you to capture nearly every corner of your vehicle.we like that the LCD screen turns off after a certain period of time, so you have one less distraction on the road. You can also view video clips on the screen. Coming in at number 3 is the Rishing V1P, best overall. The Rishing V1P clinches the top spot thanks to its affordable price, ultra-wide viewing angle, unbeatable temperature tolerance, and optional suction mount. If you're looking for some extra features you'll want to skip down the list, the Rishing V1P is affordable because it's just a dash cam. Like most of the dash cams on our list, the Rishing V1P features both a front and rear-facing camera. Both record in 1080p at 30 fps, have a 170 degrees viewing angle, and use wide dynamic range (WDR) technology and a Sony Starvis image sensor for improved night vision. The front camera also features an LCD screen. The G sensor automatically locks clips when it detects an impact, a standard feature to prevent important video footage from being deleted or overwritten. But we love that the Rishing V1P also allows you to manually lock footage by pushing the OK button on the camera while recording. So if something unexpected happens while you're out and about, you can save that clip. At number 4, we have the Garmin Dash Cam 67W, the best dash cam overall. Here's our favorite option for those who want a great overall package at a reasonable price. The Garmin Dash Cam 67W offers the best balance between quality and value. For starters, it comes from a renowned company that has earned a great deal of respect in the market. While the brand isn't everything, it sure gives you some peace of mind and at least some level of reassurance that the product is good and customer support will be at least decent. The Garmin Dash Cam 67W kind of has it all. It's small and discreet, measuring only 5.62x 4.05x 2.19 centimeters. It can also record at a higher 1440p resolution, while most others stick to 1080p. The frame rate is nicer, too, at 60 FPS. The 180-degree field of view also helps you capture a wider scene, getting a better view of everything happening while you drive. And if you want to get a view of saved clips on the go, it also sports a small 2-inch screen. Figuring out the Garmin Dash Cam 67W is pretty simple. Leave it plugged into your car's power source and it will start recording continually. It has a battery too, just in case, though it can only last 30 minutes on a full charge. You'll even get some smart features such as incident detection with GPS, voice controls for keeping your hands on the wheel at all times, forward collision warnings, lane departure warnings, go alerts for when traffic starts moving, red light notifications, and even speed camera alerts. You'll even get alerts if the camera notices activity while you're parked. Additionally, those who don't think local storage is enough can pay for a subscription plan, which includes cloud storage for your saved clips. You know, because sometimes local storage fails. Last, number 5, Vantru 5, the best 360-degree dash cam. All the other cameras are great, but they don't cover every angle of your vehicle's interior and exterior. Some have optional add-ons to help you with this, but if you want an all-in-one 360-degree dash cam bundle that covers every view, this is it. The Vantru 5 comes with 2 units, each with 2 cameras. The front one covers both the front view and the front cabin. The rear one covers the rear part of the cabin, as well as providing a look behind the vehicle's exterior. The primary camera can record at 1944p, while all others capture video at 1080p, all record at 30 FPS. The main front unit also features a 3.19-inch screen. The primary front sensor is a Sony Starvis 2IMX675, which also supports a wide dynamic range, giving you a good view of the car's front even in the dark. Additionally, the front and rear cabin cameras have IR night vision. Extra features include voice commands, an optional wireless controller, dual-band Wi-Fi, parking security with motion collision detection, 10-second pre-recording, and GPS location logging. It's the full package. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make